Hi there guys, another episode of Salvage Fix. We're going to do basically disassemble the swing arm. It's a bit scratchy here, so we're just going to polish, paint, make sure it's basically the same and equal to the other side. And then pretty much that's it. I think it's going to take all day anyway. Disassemble this, take this out, and then just try to refurbish it as much as we can. Hope you enjoy our channel and see you guys later.
Hi guys, so we just managed to remove the rear swing arm and now we just need to give it a proper clean outside and then repaint it. We may need to remove these ones as well, isn't it? Yeah, so we can paint everything. And that's it. That's the swing arm in here. It's all full of dirt. So we're just going to remove these guides for the chain and then give it a nice clean, sand it and repaint it. We'll try to do everything today. So because we don't have a jet wash at home, so we just managed to come to the nearest car wash. We are just cleaning all the metal parts. It will be easy to take the dirt out and all the grease. We just let the black coat dry. End up really awesome, I think. So and now we are just going to apply some clear coat and it will give it that nice gloss finish. Hi guys, so the day is almost finished, but I think we did a very good job. Check this out. Check this amazing swing arm. Peraí.
Vais falar muito assim com isso.
Peraí.
Que eu aguentei.
Yeah.
Hi there guys, another episode of Salvage Fix. We're going to do
Number 4.